Hi friends, this is going to be a video tutorial on how to adjust your font size in Gmail using your PC. To do this, log into your Gmail, click on the Compose button at the upper left of the screen. You can change or adjust the font size in the subject area or the message area. This is the recipient, the subject area, and this is the message area. Good. And you can choose to adjust your font size either before typing the content of your message or after typing. If you want to adjust the font size before you compose your message, at the bottom of the screen here, click these options and it will open up a multiple of options. So this is the font size icon. You click on it, then you can choose your preferred choice, either large, small, or huge. Let's go with huge. Then you start typing the content of your message. You can also adjust the font size after typing your message. You highlight the text by placing your mouse cursor at the beginning or ending of the last message. Then you drag across to select the message. Then you go down to the bottom again and click on the font size icon. Now you can adjust it to small, as you can see in the screen. So guys, that's how you change your font size in Gmail. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more informative tips like this one. See you in the next video, friends. Bye.